It helps if I have the thing going. And recording. 3, 2, 1. For all of you who have been complaining about those mirrors, you can go ahead and thank Aaron over here for getting me these. Ooh, hey guys, look at all you all. That's what you look like to me. That's what all of you look like to me. Not the point. The point is, fire end mirrors. Let's do this. Well, it doesn't come with instructions. Let's figure it out on our own. Everything in my toolbox is standards. Hopefully, something will fit. The random IKEA tool fits perfectly. I win. I'm gonna need a quick intermission. I'd rather just make sure I go online and double check because there seems to be a lot of moving parts that I don't know where. It seems like there's too much in there for such a simple task. So I wanna make sure the right parts go in the right place, the right tools. Intermission. Remember that random piece of paper I threw away? For full fitting instructions, please visit focus-triumphinstructions.com. Well, welcome back to day 2 of That Should Have Taken You 10 Minutes, the build series, where I'm still trying to put on these bar end mirrors. I got rained out yesterday. Look at how beautiful it is over there. Because you can see over there how beautiful and serene the sky is. But right over here is impending doom. Supposed to rain again in about 2 hours. Again, this should take me 10 minutes. I still haven't had coffee yet. So after consulting with my friend who is a master mechanic over at Triumph, it is as easy as you think it is. So, see if we can get this done real quick. So grab your standard IKEA wrench. Take that off. Put the ring on. Put the mirror on. Maybe take the mirror off. Go grab tools to take that mirror off. Hope that you have the right tool to take that mirror off. Thank the holy deity that you have the right tool to take that mirror off. Go back to step 3. Get confused on how to open a box. Just manhandle the box open. Put too many parts in your hand so that you may drop them and get angry later. Again, be happy that you happen to have the right tools. Alright, Buddy Yama Gang says that when you sit on the motorcycle, you want the mirrors perpendicular to the ground, so you kind of have to put it in gear so you don't roll backwards. That's about right. Let's tighten it down right quick. And that, boys and girls, is how you have a 10-minute project take 2 days. I'm gonna get the other side on real quick. Let's go for a ride. Well, folks, bar end mirrors are in. Once again, thank you, Aaron, for actually purchasing these for me. Aaron actually called Tampa Triumph and goes, "Hey guys, I really like Flip and Shade Tree. They're my homies. Like, I like what they do. I would like to be able to purchase these for Flip if I can." Got a phone call from Tampa Triumph and go, "Hey, this happened," and that was really, really cool. A package for me, so let's grab that and take it home and see what's in there. Apparently, Deal's making all the friends over here at Tampa Triumph.
See, she stretches her leg out.
Thanks, Don.
You got it. Okay.
Deedles, you say bye to everybody? Whoa! I stepped on her leash on accident. The really cool part about it is like it was in the middle of a really bad week for me. As I'm sure some of you have noticed, I didn't post this last Sunday. Come on, you rich. Where was I? I'm sure a lot of you noticed I didn't post this Sunday, and the main reason for that was just I was freaking depressed, man. Just chaos and anarchy, which don't get me wrong, I like some chaos and anarchy. I guess, you know, the reasons for chaos and anarchy are not always the good catalysts for chaos and anarchy. Yeah, it was just I couldn't tear myself away from what was going on. It was just really sad to see. And you know, new day, bright and sunny, airplane. So in the middle of that kind of chaos of like just being really down and seeing humanity at its best and its worst, this really awesome thing happens, and this guy's like, hey, I got an extra $1, let's put it to good use. And thank you, Aaron, I really appreciate it, man. Like, it really means a lot. You really got me out of a dark cloud. It took me an extra 2 or 3 days to really get forward and get them on, but again, thank you. Out of all that darkness, I started having certain songs running through my head, and like, you know, clearly there was Rage Against the Machine and, you know, Run the Jewels and things like that, where it's like very political and driven. And these are just songs that just kind of kept ringing through my brain through a couple of days. So I decided to start a new series on my Instagram called Kick Out the Jams. The true birth of like punk rock can be traced back to that one track and those words. Just kick out the jams, motherfuckers. Those words spawned Iggy and the Stooges, it spawned the Ramones, it spawned the Blondie, Talking Heads, Television, you know, and like, we all know who they inspired. So I decided to start the series on my Instagram because thank you, Senna, for sending both Shade Tree Surgeon and I some units to be able to, well, I mean, I'm able to listen to some jams now while I'm writing, but at the same time, we're able to talk to each other and do some dual vlog stuff. Some of it has come out, some of them has yet to come out. But it's me trying to promote somebody who did me a favor. They didn't have to send me anything. They're not promoting me. They're not sponsoring me. They just went, here's a unit. So I started this series of Kick Out the Jams where, you know, whatever song is in my head that day type of thing. Like, you know, like whatever mood, whatever fits the subject matter. Thanks to Senna, Kick Out the Jams. Follow me on Instagram. Tell me what you like to listen to while you ride. And with that being said, I have a huge plan to incorporate a lot more music into my channel. I don't know how exactly yet, due to copyright laws and things like that. One of the So one thing I've been talking about a lot with my friends is I want to start doing a playlist, a musical playlist for you guys to go and ride with. You know, you could have the Shade Tree Surgeon playlist of the week. I'm gonna do, you know, mine. Like whoever is available and has something interesting or creative. You know, best obscure country music. You know, techno songs you would never imagine you would like. Just weird things. Like I have a lot of friends who are musicians. I have friends who have master's degree in composition. I've been around musicians my entire life. I know famous musicians. So I want to start putting out these playlists on my Spotify. I know it's possible. I haven't looked into it just yet, but I know it's there. So that's something I want to start rolling out in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to try to start upping from 4 videos a month to 6. So one every other Thursday. So these are some just things that I've been doing. we're good. All right, cool. Sorry, man. Gotta let her breathe a bit. Quick update on the bar end mirrors. Surprisingly easy to get used to. When I was riding the Truxton in that video, they seemed very irritable because I wasn't used to riding the Truxton. When I was on the Truxton, I felt like a gorilla doing push-ups. Come on, Range Rover. What the fuck? So yeah, when I was riding the Truxton, I felt like a gorilla doing push-ups. Like all the weight was on my shoulders, and the mirrors were just not helping. Oh, look, cops! Horsey cops! Oh no, pigs can ride horses. Oh, dude, I want to get in a high-speed chase with force cops. I wonder if they're willing to like mock that for me. That'd be funny. Whatever. Where was I? Oh, Airstream. Jesus Christ, distractions. So no, like yeah, like these bar end mirrors are actually pretty easy to get used to. They're surprisingly almost in the same place as the rabbit ears, which you all hate so much. Which is the one downside to switching, because I loved how much you guys hated those. I hated them as much as you did, but your hatred just fed me. People still... When did rollerblading come back as a thing? Seriously. So surprisingly, the bar end mirrors are almost in the same place as the bunny ears. Like, they were like right there. Right there. Alright, second to last thing we're going to talk about today, before I go home and get out of this 93-degree weather and 78% humidity. Jesus Christ, that's a big truck in the middle of the street for absolutely no fucking reason. Second to last thing I'm going to talk about, heading back to LA in a week. Going to go see my good friend. Ooh, god damn it, distractions. Birdie. Focus. Woosah, focus. So I'm heading back to LA to go hang out with my friend Justin. My friend Justin used to be my roommate back in Chicago. Also used to be my boss at the bar we worked at, Bangers and Lace. Best beer selection in Chicago. Best whiskey selection in Chicago. Well, third best whiskey selection in Chicago. Delilah's, Untitled, Bangers and Lace. The good thing about working at Bangers and Lace was that I got to try all of them. Fat kid. Distractions galore today. So yeah, gonna go back to LA to go see Justin. Justin started this project called Major and Minor. We're trying to launch on YouTube. It's up right there. It's got 2 videos so far. I got about 3 or 4 videos that I just need a quick edit and throw up there. When I go back out there, we're gonna start on the project again. What I want to do is I want to start going to LA for a week every 2 months. He might come down to Florida too. But the plan is every 2 months we take a week off and we work on the project. Within that week, we plan on doing about 6 to 10 videos. And so this way we can release 1 a week until the next time we are able to meet up. Major Minor is kind of a weird passion project between the two of us, where we like seeing people who really enjoy the craft of what they do, between DJs and bakers and bartenders and chefs and, you know, people who do graphic design, people who design sneakers, people who just drink coffee. Last time I was there, we had to feel each other out in a weird way, kind of like 2 dogs sniffing their own butts. So I think we got out of a lot of the growing pains we had from last time, and we are going to really go forward with this project. I know Derek Jeter lives somewhere around here. Not Derek Jeter, Tom Brady. I know Tom Brady lives somewhere around here, and I could care less. I want that guy out of here. Go home. So I got Major and Minor. I'm going to put a link in the descriptions and downstairs to the main video that kind of launches the channel. There'll be another one coming soon. Yet another distracted side note. Dear YouTubers, I understand that we all like using our little cards, but let's remember how more people are using their TVs to watch YouTube than they are their cell phones or computers nowadays. So that doesn't come up on TV. That doesn't come up on TV. So, dear Flip, put it down here as well. Let's see, we did bar in the mirrors, we did Major Minor. Send a kick out the jams. Follow. birdies, distractions, plenty of that. Tom Brady's a nutsack. Yeah, I mean, sounds about it. Got stickers coming in. Woohoo! Thanks to this guy. Nana, seriously. Are you seriously? Oh my God, you're in rollers. Good job, Nana. That is the most amazing way to end an episode. Folks, don't forget, I got a Patreon. Patreon helps me build things, helps me go on trips, helps me make more fun videos for you. If you don't have money for Patreon, do me a huge favor and don't feel bad. What I need you to do is just like and subscribe and watch the videos. That's all you really have to do. So, Patreon, forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, catch you on the next one. Whoop. One last thing before we cut it out. Odin MFGs. Those are my gloves. They are amazing. They have magnets. They stick to your tank so you won't lose your gloves. They have these little finger flaps, which are amazing to help you do things on your phone. They don't sponsor me. They only gave me these for free. Go and check them out. They have been super awesome for me and Shade Tree. Give them some love. Odin MFGs.